Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is January 4th, 2023 when I'm recording this. Welcome to the new year. Hope everybody enjoyed the time off, a little bit of vacation, holiday season, all of that kind of stuff. And welcome to about the 16th day of the market going sideways. So yeah, it is just continuing to go sideways here. Now, is this good or is this bad? Is this bullish or this bearish? It's kind of hard to tell. I really just having a hard time trying to figure out which way this wants to go. We know that gold and GDX have been strong recently. One thing they do is say don't short a quiet market, so that's something. We also know that there is a high short interest out there, a put-call ratio, and so if this thing doesn't start moving down, well, then traders seem like they're probably going to start covering, and that's going to fuel a short covering rally, and so we could be moving up. Or this could be a sign of there are a lack of buyers, and that just through, hey, nobody's coming to this thing. They're like, look, we don't want to touch this with a 10-foot pole, and it's just going to start rolling over at some point. So we're really kind of in the middle of no man's land with this. One way we could be looking at is a larger inverse head and shoulders, so be aware of that. I also do have a potential trampoline move here on the daily chart, and I have to say potential because it's not confirmed yet. We have to look at the next lower time frame in order to confirm that. And what I see here is, there's a level, and yes, we are getting some positive divergence here. If this is going to work, we're going to need to see price continue to hold the hourly 50 at some point, and eventually, if it's going to continue to work beyond that, we're going to have to see price get up and over the hourly 200. Pretty similar to this. You can see here how price started to engage with the 50 like this, and then price got over the 200, and then the 50 got over the 200. So something to continue to watch for there. One other thing I've been watching also for quite some time here is the semis, SOXX. And I've been talking about this for the last few weeks. We've had this really good channel and through here, and now we have broken out of that channel. And one thing I've been talking to the Moxie subscribers and, just mentioning it out there is that, yes, we saw price get up outside of the channel, and I was actually looking for this pullback. I was looking for price to pull back, and I was like, hey, let's see if price is going to come back down and actually tap the top of that trend line for support. Now, trend lines are trend lines. It's great when they work. They don't have to, but it is something very interesting to note to see if this is going to be anything. I don't have really much more to say beyond that. If we do look at the higher time frames with the monthly and the weekly, if this was going to work, well, here we have price holding the monthly 50, and we also have price holding the weekly 200, and if it's going to work, well, sure, then it'll keep moving up like that. Maybe it's just a glorified bounce and a downtrend, but that's still a bounce that we can play. So as I said, I just kind of find it interesting that I've been watching this as price got outside of that trend line, and now it's back down basically to the trend line and to those moving averages. So yeah, if I have a deference to the bullish side, maybe, but I'm still seeing just not a ton of action out there, and we've been watching Tesla and Microsoft and Apple and those big names still get written down. So it seems like it's hard for the market to go up if those names are going to be going down. So really, this is a very, very challenging spot in here where it's just not super clear. So kind of keep your trades close to the chest, and just don't be surprised if any direction starts to happen. All right, thanks again. We'll catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.